Said a thing with feathers absolutely has to fly.
Fly, why must they fly?
Some creatures have two wings that flap, but you won't find them up there in the sky.
Try, try, try